Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are some tips on how to live without running water, to make it through until you have water again. Stock up on bottled water. Have paper plates on hand. Perfect the art of the sponge bath. Reuse clothing. Have a large stock pot on hand at all times. Have some easy freezer meals on hand. The 28th of December 2019.
Take our lead.
Preparing for a planned water outage. Fill pots on the stove with water for cooking. Fill a couple of buckets with water for washing. Fill potable water containers for drinking. Assume about 1 gallon of drinking water per person per day. Fill bathtubs with water and use buckets to flush toilets.
Let's help you make your mark.
7 ways to stay clean without running water. Showers. Everyone wants a shower now and then. Baths. In times past, baths were shared by everyone in the household, one person after another. Wet naps and baby wipes. Waterless cleansers. Smoking. Dealing with dirty water. Dirt baths, the 12th of March 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you're not getting any water in your home, it's likely because of a problem with the water main. If you have an emergency shut-off valve, it could have accidentally triggered and stopped your water flow, or the valve could be open and impeding your water supply because it's leaking. 8 October 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.